Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly exciting to talk about. OpenAI has just released a groundbreaking AI model called Sora, so let's dive right in. Sora is a pioneering AI model developed by OpenAI. It's designed to transform simple text prompts into engaging one-minute videos. This is a significant leap in the AI video landscape, offering a unique approach to content creation. At its core, Sora utilizes a transformer architecture, a sophisticated neural network model capable of processing and understanding textual data. It's a diffusion model which generates a video by starting off with one that looks like static noise and gradually transforms it by removing the noise over many steps. This technology works similarly to the GPT family of language models that power OpenAI's chatbot, ChatGPT. Sora can generate videos up to a minute long, while maintaining visual quality and adherence to the user's prompt. It can create realistic and imaginative scenes from text instructions. For example, it can generate a video of a stylish woman walking down a Tokyo street, filled with warm glowing neon and animated city signage, or it can create an animated scene featuring a close-up of a short, fluffy monster kneeling beside a melting red candle. As of now, Sora is still in the red teaming phase, meaning it's being adversarially tested to ensure it doesn't produce harmful or inappropriate content. OpenAI is also granting access to a select group of visual artists, designers, and filmmakers to gain feedback on how to advance the model to be most helpful for creative professionals. That's all for today's video about OpenAI's Sora. It's a fascinating development in the world of AI, and we can't wait to see how it will revolutionize video content creation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in AI technology. Thanks for watching.